Okay. Now we are going to see a very simple problem in the moment. So, okay, the first question, find the moment at O and R. So, this is the structure given. So, this is space diagram. So, P, Q, R, O. So, here it is given that for the point O and R, we have to calculate the moment. Already I told that the couple will remain constant at all the points, but the moment will changes. So, here only one force is acting. So, there is no possibility for couple and R. So, only we are going to calculate the moment about the point O and R. Before that, we have to consider that this is an inclined force. We know that we can solve the horizontal and vertical forces. So this is an inclined force. Our basic duty is to convert this inclined force into horizontal component and vertical component. Then we have to do the processing. So here we can draw the free body diagram. This free body diagram will be a line is there. So this point is P, this is P, Q, R and O. So this is 5, 2 and okay. So here an inclined force of 100 kilonewton is acting. We know that. So angle is given to the horizontal. So this horizontal component will be cos theta and the vertical component will be sin theta. So the horizontal component is cos theta and the vertical component is sin theta. So from here, so this is taken as vertical component and this will be the horizontal component. So 100 into vertical component is sin 45 so kilonewton. Okay. So here 100 cos 45 kilonewton. So replace this kilonewton, finally we can add it. Okay. So the horizontal component is 100 cos 45 and the vertical component is 100 sin 45. Now our duty is to calculate moment about the point O. Next, the moment about the point R. Okay, first of all, we know that moment is equal to force into perpendicular distance. Okay. Here, considering the point O, so what is the forces are acting on the point and this structure? What are the forces are acting? 100 sin 45, 100 cos 45. Okay, so first 100 sin 45. So considering the point O, this 100 sin 45 is, so O is there, force is there. Okay, so this is in this direction. Okay, so this is clockwise or anti-clockwise? This is clockwise, right? So minus 100 sin 45 into what is the vertical distance? So this is the vertical force. So this is the horizontal distance will be the vertical distance. Right? So for vertical force is there. So this is the vertical distance. So 5 plus 2 plus 4, 11. For the horizontal force, you have to take the vertical distance in y. For the vertical force, you have to take the vertical distance. Vertical to this force. This force vertical is 5, 2 plus 4. This is the distance. From O, total is 11. So multiply by 11. Plus or minus, another force is there. So 100 cos 45. But this is passing through the point O. This is passing through the point O. So we know that. So this will be considering the point O. This will be concurrent. So it will passing through this point. So no moment will be there. So because of this horizontal component, no moment will be created, because if you are taking this one, the vertical distance will be 0. If this cos 45 is here means, okay, this cos 45 100 is there, we can take this as a vertical distance. But here it is passing through the point O. So there will be no vertical distance. So you can simply leave that. Otherwise you can say that 100 cos 45 into 0. No need to do all those things. You can simply leave this and say that this is the answer. So 100 sin 45 equal to into 11. So this is minus 777.81. Already it is given in terms of kilonewton and this can be taken in terms of meters. So kilonewton meter. If it is given in terms of Newton means you can take it as Newton meter. Here minus is there. So what minus represents? Already we formed that. Minus means clockwise, plus means anti-clockwise. So here minus. So the moment is along clockwise. the moment will be along clockwise. Yes, moment will be along clockwise. Next, moment about the point R. Second one. Okay. Now also again these 2 points are parallel. So this force R. So minus clockwise minus. So 100 sine 45 into the vertical distance. So R to this force. R to this force. So 5 plus 2 into 7. Then again, if you are considering this horizontal component, the vertical distance will be 0. And see, because it is passing through this point. R point is there, it is passing through the point. If it is passing through this area, means you can take this as vertical distance. But it is passing through R. So you can simply leave that here equal to into 7. So what is the answer will be 100 sine 45 into 7. So minus 494.97 kilonewton meter. Again we can say that this is also clockwise. Okay, so because negative means you are taking for clockwise. This is very basic thing. So we are going to see the problems where number of forces are acting, but the very basic thing you should know is force into vertical distance. If it is vertical force means horizontal distance. If it is horizontal force means vertical distance. If it is passing through the point means the distance will be 0. If it is passing through the point means whatever may be vertical or horizontal. Passing through the point means the perpendicular distance will be 0. So you are not going to consider that one for calculating the moment about that point. If it is passing through the point, move means passing through the point. So no need to calculate. If some force is passing through vertical force, no need to calculate this force. Likewise, you have to do all the problems. Okay, thank you.